What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have something else from the 2020 Beijing Auto Show. Actually, Lynk Co has given us a zero concept car that is an all-wheel drive and it has 536 horsepower. So, following a preview from last week, Lynk Co has introduced the new zero concept at the Beijing Auto Show, and as promised, the automaker released new details about the car, including the fact that it has multiple electric motors. Now this gives the concept car all-wheel drive and as well a combined output of 536 horsepower or 400 kilowatts at 544 PS. That's a lot of power for a small hatchback, and it enables the car to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 100 kilometers in less than 4 seconds. Now Lynk Co was tight-lipped about the battery but said it provided range of 435 miles or 700 kilometers in the NEDC cycle. Now the company also said that the battery resists degradation for at least 124,274 miles or 200,000 kilometers, and it is designed to last, get this, 1,242,742 miles or 2 million kilometers. Now the latter figure is much higher than its competitors, but it remains on how clear the range would be affected at that point. Now, speaking of performance, Lynk Co said that the Zero has a world-class chassis tuning and a low center of gravity and just a 50-50 weight distribution. Reminds you very much of an Alfa Romeo Giulia. Now with that said, this means that drivers can expect ultimate dynamic driving experience. Now this model also has a height adjustable air suspension, adaptive damping, and co-pilot semi-autonomous driving system as well. Other highlights include over-the-air updates, a customizable ambient lighting system, and Yamaha speakers. Now, while a lot of questions remain, Lynk Co has already confirmed the Zero will go into production next year for 2021. And the road-going model will ride on Geely's Sustainable Experience architecture, which was created specifically for electric vehicles. That platform will be shared among various Geely-owned brands as well as outside automakers. But this is crazy. 536 horsepower and a 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds, with it lasting at least 2 million kilometers. That's hardcore Tesla rivalry right there. So let me know what you guys think about the Zero concept from Lynk Co. And if you guys enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on this new Zero concept that's unveiled. Now, with that said, in case you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo. In case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel, you could also check out the Ron's Rise merch. You can get Ron's Rise t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, phone cases, everything Ron's Rise, or check out my Patreon, be a monthly subscriber there as well. You can also follow me on social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, see everything I'm posting, Ron's Rise news that doesn't always make it to the channel, whether it's car pictures, memes, or videos. Now with that said, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, help us get to our first 1,000 subscribers, and click that notification bell so you can get these videos straight to your inbox. You guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.